In a major move, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday announced the repealing of 3 central farm laws. Addressing to the nation, Prime Minister said, "Today I want to tell everyone that we have decided to repeal all the 3 farm laws."
साथियों, मैं आज देशवासियों से क्षमा मांगते हुए सच्चे मन से और पवित्र हृदय से कहना चाहता हूं कि शायद हमारी तपस्या में ही कोई कमी रही होगी, जिसके कारण दिए के प्रकाश जैसा सत्य कुछ किसान भाइयों को हम समझा नहीं पाए। आज गुरु नानक देव जी का पवित्र प्रकाश पर्व है। ये समय किसी को भी दोष देने का नहीं है। आज मैं आपको, पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है।
Farmers from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and other few parts of the nation had been protesting at the Delhi border against 3 laws for more than a year. Talking about the farmers' issues, Modi said it had been the demand of farmers for long and they brought these laws after deliberations in the parliament and these were welcomed. He said they brought these laws with utmost sincerity but could not make a section of the farmers see their benefits.